Hello friends, welcome to my channel Eccentric Learning. I hope you have gone through my previous videos on shortcuts and tricks, numbers and divisibility rules. If not, the link has been given in the description box. Please go through it. And if you like my videos, please do subscribe to the channel and also share with your friends. In this video, we are going to find the square root of numbers. So before doing that, we need to know about the squares of numbers, like 11 square is 121, 12 square is 144, 24 square is 576. 28 square is 784, or indirectly we can say that square root of 576 is 24, square root of 784 is 28. So these many things should be known to us, as it would be very handy when we will be calculating the square root of bigger numbers. So we can calculate the square root of bigger numbers by using the factorization method, in which we can find the factors of the numbers. The second, we can use the division method to calculate the square root of numbers. And the third, we can go with the shortcut way of finding the square root of the numbers. So let us first try to see the factorization method of finding the square root of 2401. So 2401, so if we factorize this 2401, so if you see, this is not divisible by 3, not by 4, 5, 6, but it is divisible by 7. In fact, 7 3s are 21, 30, 7 4s are 28, and 7 3s are 21. Again, this is divisible by 7. So 7 4s are 28 and 63. So 7 9s are 63. So 7 times 7 is 49. So we can say that 2401 is nothing but 7 square into 7 square. So the square root of 2401 would be square root of 7 square into 7 square, which is nothing but 7 times 7, which is equal to 49. Okay, so now let us try to find the square root of the number 2401 using division method. So in the division method, we need to take pair of numbers from the right hand side. So 2401 is a 4-digit number, so there can be two pairs. So one pair we can take to be 01 and the other pair we can take to be 24. So now we need to find a square of a number which is less than 24. We know 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. So we need to take 4 here. So we can say that 4 times of 4 is nothing but 16. So we'll be writing 16 here. Now 24 minus 16 will give us 8. Now whatever the number you have here, try to add this number. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Now whatever the other pair of numbers left, bring it down. So this would be 0, 1. Now you need to take a digit here such that if you multiply this whole number with that particular digit, you will be getting 801. Let me repeat this line once again. Now you need to take a digit here such that if you multiply this whole number with that particular digit, you should get 801. Now, if you check here, like 88 times of 8, if we take, so this would be what? 8 is the 64, carry is 6. So it is 64 plus 6, so that is 70. So let us try to take 89. So 9 times of 9 would be how much? 9 9s are 81, carry is 8. So 9 is the 72 plus 8, so that is 801. So we are getting 801 here. So this would be 9 here. So 89 times of 9 will give us 801. So we can say that the square root of 2401 is 49. So these methods are applicable for a perfect square number. Okay, so now we have seen two methods. One is the factorization method and the other is the division method. So you can see all these two methods take a little bit of time, but obviously if the same sum comes into the exam, we need to make sure that we are taking less time so that we are able to solve this question in a very shorter period of time. So now let us try to see the shortcut way of finding the square root of 2401. So you need to remember these squares as I have told initially. Why? Because we know that if we want to take 40 square, so this would be 1600, and if I want to take 50 square, this would be 2500. So we can say that square root of 1600 is 40 and the square root of 2500 is 50. So can we say that this 2401 square root would be somewhere between 40 and 50? And again, if you are able to look at the numbers closely, this 2401 is very close to the number 2500. So we can say that the square root of 2401 would be very close to the number 50. Maybe it can be 47, 48, 46, or 49 as well. Now, if you look at the unit digits, so this is 1. We know that if we take a square of a number in which the unit digit is 1, then the ending digit of the square of that number will also be 1. Similarly, if I take the square of a number whose unit digit is 9, then the unit digit will also be 1. So I need to find a number whose unit digit is 9 to calculate the square root of 2401, as the unit digit is 1 here in this case. So if you see, the only possibility between 40 and 50 can be 41 or it can be 49, because 9 square will give us 1 in the unit digit and 1 square will also give us 1 in the unit digit. But if you see, 40 square is very close to 1600, so 41 will also be nearby to it, and 2401 is very close to 2500. So we can say that the square root of this number would be a number which is close to 50, and the only possibility is 49. So we can say that the square root of 2401 is nothing but 49. Okay, so now let us try to find the square root of the number 5329. I hope you'd be able to do this by the factorization method. So let me directly jump to the division method here. So this would be 5329. So again, it's a 4-digit number. So I need to take 2 pairs from the right hand side. So this will be 29, this will be 53. Now I need to think of a number, square of a number which is less than 53. So the square of a number which is less than 53 is 7 square, with that 7 square which is 49. So I'm writing 7 here, 7 here. So that would be 49 here. So 4. So now I need to bring this 29 here. So I need to add this 7 and 7. So that would be 14. So I need to take a unit digit such that if we multiply this whole number with that digit, I should get 429. So here it is 9. So it should be 3, because 143 times of 3 will give us 429. So we can say that the square root of 5329 is nothing but 73. Okay, so now let us try this, find the square root of 5329 using the shortcut method. So again, if you look here, this is the unit digit, here is 9, and I know that 60 square is 3600, 80 square is 6400, 70 square is 4900. So you can see here, this 5329 lies between 4900 and 6400. So we can say that the square root of 5329 will lie between 70 and 80. So now we need to find the square of a number in which the unit digit is 9. So the possibility is that the square of that number should contain the unit digit as 3, or it should contain the unit digit as 7. Now, so the possibility can be 73 or it can be 77. Now again, if you remember the previous example here, 5329 is close to the number 4900 and 6400 is very far to this 5329. So we can say that the square root of 5329 would be close to the number 70. So the possibility only we are left with is 73. So we can say that the square root of 5329 is 73. Okay, so now let us try to find the square root of these two numbers, which is 13689 and the another number is 480249. So try to pause this video for some time and try to find the square root, and we will be seeing the answer post that. Okay, so I hope you guys are able to find the square root of these two numbers. So you could have used any method, that is the factorization method, the division method, or the shortcut of finding the square root. So let me show the division method of finding the square root of these numbers. So 13689. So again, try to take pair of numbers from right hand side. So this is 89, 36, this is 1. So 1 times of 1 we need to take. So this is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 here. And the pair of numbers is 36 here. So I need to find a unit digit such that if you multiply with that number, that should be equal to 36 or less than 36. So the only possibility is 1. So 21 times of 1 is 21. So the remainder is 15. Again, I need to bring the last pair, which is 89 here. So now this is 21 and here is 1. So I need to add these two numbers. So 21 plus 1, that is 22 here. So now I need to take a unit digit here such that if you multiply the complete 3-digit number of this with that unit digit, I should get 1589. So here, if you notice here, so the unit, the last digit is 9. So I can say it can be 3 or it can be 7. So let us try to see what is 223 times of 3. So this would be 9, 6, and 6. So this is not 1589. So it's not possible. So the only possibility is 7. So 227 times of 7 will give us 1589. So we can say that square root of 13689 is nothing but 117. Okay, so now let us try to apply the division method again in this 480249. So this is 480249. So I'll be taking pair of numbers from right hand side. So this is 48. So 49 is bigger than that. So 36 we need to take, which is 6 square. So 6 6 are 36. So remainder is 12 here. So 6 plus 6 is 12. I need to bring these two digits here. So 1202. Now here is 12. So I need to take a unit digit such that if we multiply with that, I should get 1202. So if you check here, so 128 times of 8 if we do, so this would be 64, 6, 8 to the 16 plus 6, 22, 2, 8 ones are 8. So this is 10, 1024. So let us try to check 129 times of 9. So this is 9 nines are 81, 8, 9 twos are 18 plus 8, that is 26. Now the carry is 2. So 9 ones are 9 plus 2, that's 11. So that's 1161, which is closer than 1202. So this would be 129 times of 9. So this is 1161. Okay, so now if you subtract 1161 from 1202, you'll be getting 1 here, and this would be 41. So this would be 41. And now again, if you bring 49, there's the last 2 digit here. So now this 129 plus of 9 we need to do. So that would be 138. So now again, we need to take a unit digit here such that if you multiply with that, we should get 4149. So if you see here, so if I take here to be 3, so 1383 times of 3 will give us 4149. So the square root of 480249 would be nothing but 693. So I hope many of you might have got the right answer for the square root of 13689 and the square root of 480249. And I would request you to apply the factorization and the shortcut way of finding the square root of these two numbers to simply verify your answers. So I hope now you guys will be able to find the square root of numbers given to you. But still, if you have any confusion, please do watch the video again. And still, if you have any doubts, please put it in the comment box. I will try to answer each one of your queries. So if you like my video, then do subscribe my channel and keep sharing with your friends. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and keep growing. Thank you.